In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to add apps to wishlist on Google Play Store. Now let us say I want to add this particular app, music player, to wish store. All I have to do is tap on it like I just did now, and then to bring me to this option, but I'm not ready to download it. I just want to add it to wish list. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then I'm going to tap on the second option, which is add to wish list. Add it to wish list, and it's as simple as that. Now if I want to see my wish list, all I have to do is go back, tap on my profile icon, and then you tap on settings. No, not settings. Tap on library. So tapping on your profile icon, tap on library, then wishlist is the first one. As you can see, it has been added. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.